I already walked you through the step-by-step setup of open source Claude Code clones. And sure, they technically work. But let's be honest, you don't want a clone, you want the real, beautifully polished, enterprise-grade software built by Anthropic. And the only thing standing in your way is those API fees quietly draining your wallet every single time you hit enter. So today, we fix that. Because by the end of the next 4 minutes, you're going to have the official multi-billion-dollar Claude Code software running directly on your machine, powered entirely by open source models for exactly $0. And yeah, this feels a little illegal, but it's not. Welcome back to Everyday AI School, where we cut the fluff and pack every second with value. Before we type a single command, you need to understand the routing we're about to build, because this is where everything clicks. Anthropic designed their command line tool as a completely closed system. It's hardwired to talk only to their paid servers. It doesn't just prefer Claude, it outright refuses to talk to anything else. So the moment you run the standard install, instantly, no flexibility, no workaround, just pay to continue. But here's where things get really interesting. Ollama just dropped a seriously clever engineering update that changes the game. They've added a native Anthropic compatible bridge directly into their core engine, and this is the breakthrough. When we configure this, Ollama silently intercepts Anthropic's requests, translates those complex tool calls in real time, and routes them to a completely free open source model seamlessly. And don't miss this. This is the key idea. We are literally putting a mask on a free model and making enterprise software believe it's talking to Claude. Same interface, same workflow, zero API cost. Let's jump into the installation. First, we need to set up our engine. Open up your browser, head over to Google and search for Ollama. Click on the official website. Right there on the homepage, staring you in the face, is the install command. Go ahead and copy that to your clipboard. Next, open up your terminal. Paste that exact command we just copied and hit enter. Let your system do the heavy lifting. In just a few seconds, Ollama is downloaded and installed on your system. To verify it's ready to go, just type Ollama and hit enter. Perfect. Now before we bring Claude Code into the mix, you need to ensure Node.js is installed. You can quickly check this by typing node -- version. As you can see right here, I'm running version 24. So we are good to go. Here is where the magic happens. Type npm install-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code and press enter. This globally installs the official package right onto your system. With the environment built, we need to give it a brain. Let's head back to our browser and click on Models at the top of the Ollama website. You have a massive library of AI models at your fingertips here. Now listen closely. For this demo, I am going to proceed with the GLM 5.1 cloud model. However, the beauty of this setup is that you can follow these exact same steps with any other cloud or local model if your system is able to run it. For example, if you want a powerful local option, you can use Gemma 4 completely free right on your local machine. Let's grab our demo model. Back in the terminal, type Ollama pull GLM 5.1 cloud. This grabs the manifest and preps the model for our workspace. Once you see that success message, we are locked and loaded. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Type Ollama launch Claude and hit enter. You'll be prompted to select your model. I'll use my arrow keys, pick the GLM 5.1 cloud model we just pulled, and when it asks for workspace access, confidently hit 1 for yes. And boom! Now you have the official Claude Code running completely for free on your machine. Let's put it to the test right now. I'm going to ask it to write a full working snake game in HTML. Let's see what it does. Okay, look at this. We hit an API error 403. Don't panic, this is actually a perfect teaching moment. This error popped up specifically because I was relying on a free public model, and that cloud endpoint is currently maxed out on volume and rate limiting us. But because we built this system to be flexible, adapting is effortless. Let's type Ollama list to check my inventory of models. I've got a Qwen 3.5 model sitting right here, ready to go. So I'll run Ollama launch Claude one more time, and this time I'll select the Qwen model from the list. We grant it folder access again, and let's feed it the exact same prompt. Write a snake game in HTML. Watch this. It starts thinking, untangling the logic, and there we go. it is writing the code flawlessly. It even pauses to ask if we want to create the snake.html file locally. Just hit yes and it builds the entire program straight into your directory. Absolutely incredible. And just like that, you have a top tier AI coding assistant working for you at zero cost.